Hello, RV enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we're here to share some valuable insights on how to optimize your TV reception while traveling in your RV. So, let's get started. One of the key challenges faced by RVers is maintaining a reliable TV signal on the road. The good news is, with a little know-how and proper equipment, you can enjoy your favorite shows and stay connected no matter where you are exploring. To begin, take note of the location where you plan to park your RV. Research the local TV stations and their transmission towers nearby. Websites like antennaweb.org and TV Fool offer interactive maps that help you determine the direction and distance of the broadcast towers from your chosen campground or stopover. Once you know the direction of the towers, you can align your TV antenna accordingly. Most RVs come equipped with a built-in antenna, but if you find it insufficient, consider investing in a quality external antenna. These antennas can provide superior reception by boosting the signal strength and minimizing interference. In addition to a good antenna, signal amplifiers and signal boosters can further enhance the reception. These devices work by optimizing weak signals and reducing noise interference, resulting in clearer and more stable TV reception. Another important factor to consider is the height of your antenna. Whenever possible, park your RV in an open area away from tall obstructions like trees and buildings. The higher you position your antenna, the better the chances of receiving a strong TV signal. Lastly, always perform a channel scan on your TV or digital converter box to ensure you're capturing all available channels in the area. This scan will update and program your TV with the latest channel lineup. That's it for today's tips on improving TV reception while RVing. We hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to seeing you next time on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Until then, happy travels and happy TV watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content about the RV lifestyle. Safe travels and goodbye for now.